Welcome to the Herbal Medic. Here we explore the incredible healing power of herbs, natural remedies, and wellness tips to help you lead a healthier, more balanced life. If you're as passionate about natural healing as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, let's embrace the wisdom of nature. Gotu kola leaves. Ingredients: fresh or dried gotu kola leaves, water, honey, or lemon. Optional. Steps: boil 1 cup of water. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried leaves or a handful of fresh leaves. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Enhance the flavor with honey or lemon. Gotu kola powder. Preparation: wash and dry fresh gotu kola leaves in a shaded, ventilated area or use a dehydrator. Grind the dried leaves into a fine powder. Store in an airtight container. Add 1 teaspoon to smoothies, juices, or plain water for a quick daily boost. Topical application for skin steps. Mix gotu kola powder with water to form a paste. Apply to scars, wounds, or acne. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse.